everyone, welcome back to Live, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 13th to the 17th of February 2023 on Monday. Dimpo is forced to confront the truth, and Andile takes on a lot more than everyone think he can handle on Tuesday. Family members try help Lindiwe deal with her loss. Dimpo is up for a celebration, but someone is not happy about it. Things take a turn for the worse at the mine on Wednesday. The Hlophe'S hover and spread their poison all over the mine, while Cobra's kind of love causes havoc and tension in his marriage on Thursday. The Hlophe'S sinks their claws into an unsuspecting Tikana, and the Mugwenas find themselves at odds on Friday. Lindiwe discovers an uncomfortable truth about someone from her past. Dimpo's event doesn't go as expected, while Andile's professional choices close in on him. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.